Welcome to your BECE prep on the Ghana Knowledge and Skills Bank. Get ready to pass your exams with this quick tutorial on how to sign up and access the new BECE examination format. Visit www.gksb.gov.gh. Click the Sign Up button, choose your category, fill in your details, and verify the OTP sent to you. Find and click on Past Questions in the menu bar. Choose your subject and select any of the years from 1990 to 2023. Access both Objectives Section A and Subjectives Section B. Solve the questions, submit for grading, and view your results instantly. Need a second shot? Use the retake option anytime. That's it for today. Keep learning and good luck.